Yes, pi has infinitely many significant figures because it is a mathematical constant with a non-repeating, infinite decimal expansion and is not a measured quantity, so it can be treated as exact when used symbolically. Pi is a number that goes on forever without repeating, so you can write as many digits as you want, but you never run out. When scientists measure things, they get a number with a limited number of certain digits, but pi comes from math, not from a measurement, so it is not limited by how precise an instrument is. For most real calculations, you only use as many digits of pi as you need for the accuracy you want, and using a few extra digits does not change the result beyond the precision of your measurements. Thinking of pi like a perfect recipe that has endless decimals helps. You only use the amount of detail required for the dish you are making. Students often confuse mathematical constants with measured numbers and try to assign them a fixed number of significant figures, and the quick fix is to remember that constants like pi are exact in theory, and you choose digits based on needed precision. Another common mistake is carrying too many digits of pi into a calculation that is limited by the measurement uncertainty, and the easy tip is to match the digits of pi to the precision of your measured values so you do not imply false accuracy. Some learners write down a rounded value of pi and then forget to justify the rounding, and the simple habit to adopt is to state why you rounded and how many digits you used, based on the required precision. For more videos and resources on this and related topics, please check out www.gumballdegree.com.